Okay, next QSR, this full big angle QSR equals to what? QSO plus OSR, QSO plus OSR. Okay, and this we have already got it. QSO, uh, so QSO is 40, QSO, right? This OQS and QSR, OSR, that is 30. So OQSR we got it as 70. So this angle is 70. Okay. Now in quadrilateral, this full big quadrilateral, SPQR, S, SQPR, this full big one, RSQ plus SQP plus QPR plus PRS equals to 360 by sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360. Therefore 70 plus 40 plus 90 plus 30 plus 90 plus QPR equals to 360, right? SQP is what? SQP is what? We have already found out. Yeah, 130. Above also we have found out. And SRP is 90 plus 30, 120, right? This 60 means you can take it LP also, 180 minus 60. So you have got all the angles. RSQ you have got it already. So QPR equals to 360 minus total of these, that is 320. So 360 minus 320 is 40. So you got QPR. So what all did you require? RPQ only you require. So you got that angle. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get his videos, test, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for them. Sync behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. Remember, these tables, squares and cubes are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.